Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is Easter Monday. Happy Easter Monday, y'all. And I don't know why baby's smiling like that. Like
I always smile.
That's true.
Always smile.
Can you say morning?
Morning, guys. Afternoon and good night too. It's Easter Monday and holiday, so that's the reason why I'm not at work today. Well, I think it's a public holiday almost everywhere.
So true.
So yeah, we have some little plan today.
Yeah.
So we get up early. We just make everything ready, everything that we have to do in the house, just in order to be ready for now to go on the road.
So we are heading out. Tyler is actually down taking a nap. We're gonna pick him up in about 10 minutes so that we can go and catch the bus. We're taking the bus today. We're not taking the car today because adventures like this one, we have to take the bus. It's not necessary to take the car. We can take the car, but it's just gonna be super harder than taking the bus. So sometimes we just have to bus it, which we don't mind at all. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing Easter holiday. By the time you guys are watching this, the Easter holiday would have been past and you guys would be at work and back into the groove of things, even though some of you guys would still be on holiday. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. If you're new to our channel, subscribe please and help us continue growing. We love all of you guys. Click the notification bell, that way you guys won't miss a video. Anyway, you guys are gonna pick up Tyler and head on the road, so we'll catch you guys in a bit. Let me show you guys babe outfit of the day. He's in black shoes, this cute pants which I'm in love with, and this long polo top to match it, and looking handsome. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing these shoes to match babe pants, this high waist legging, jeans, and this off shoulder top, which don't really look off shoulder because this jacket that I pair it with. But I'm gonna take this jacket off as soon as I go in the sun. I'm here to hype off, and Tyler is in just a normal jeans and a polo shirt. But it's like a jacket for the chill, and he's awake. And we are at the bus stop waiting on the bus right now to head to our adventure for the day. We're at the zoo and we didn't expect this line at all. I'm gonna show you guys the line that we saw. The last time we came here, we just walked right in, and we were expecting the same thing today, but it seems like there is something special happening here today because there's a lot of people out. You guys, we're finally in. We're at the zoo. What is that? There's eggs hunting going on over here, but the egg hunting line is this line behind me. I ain't about that life right now, so we'll range check on the egg hunting. Let's see how excited Tyler is gonna be to see all these animals. Tyler, you ready? Tyler! Wow! Train! what a good thing I carry back his bike. You want to go in the train? Can you just go in it as is? Put him in there.
You can just go and take pictures.
Toot toot! Whoa! Ty! Toot toot! You're in New Orleans, baby. Tyler, look at the duck! You see the duck? Wow! Now there's lots of ducks here. Tyler, what is that? What's that? No, that's duck. Duck. Look, Tyler, look. There they are. That's duck. Tyler, look. Wow. Turtle. There's lots of them on the stone down here. Look at that. Cool. Kai, what is that? Turtle? Oh. Ready? Alright, let's go. Look how huge this one is! Oh my god! Hi! Hey yo! He look like he's gonna pick me! Hi! Hey! Oh my god! It's scary! This waterfall is pretty. So pretty. We're gonna go under it! Woo! Die! Woo! Wow! So pretty. Babe, I've tied on his neck so you can see. I think there's ostrich over there. You find it, babe? Oh, they're down there. Tyler, look! Wow! You see that? It's ostrich. Carry him closer, honey. Carry him come. Carry him come close. That's a pony right there. But they're stinky. Oh my god. Tyler, you see the pony?
The cheval.
This cheval?
Cheval is hot.
Pigs! Kusha! Tyler, hoink hoink! He doesn't want to go close. You want to go in? What's in there? There's a kangaroo right there, and there's some more down there.
Et voici une autre. Et des grands. Des grands singes.
C'est pas des gros. C'est pas des gros, c'est des bébés.
Allez. Non, des adultes.
Non, regarde les chats.
Ça mort. Ça mort. Ça mort.
Yes! Yes, he's gonna bite you.
Lui, il est passé vite. Ouais. Mais le reptile, il bouge jamais. Vous venez, les gars?
Ah, you see this one just move.
Yes, see one over there.
Yeah.
Oh!
Il y en a un là. Ryan.
Oh my gosh, she's looking at me.
Ryan.
Il est beau celui-là, hein. On dirait un poisson d'ailleurs.
Oh my god. Baby, you see that?
Yeah, I'll show you the tree.
Look at
since
this
the
one.
beginning. Some
My skin went cold.
Look at that.
Oh, jeez. I can never get used to it. Flamingos and fishes.
Ouais, mais.
Tyler, you see that? Tyler, look. Yeah. Wow. Tyler, look at that. Yes. That's not chicken, it's fish. Fish, big fish. Yes. No, it's fish. And flamingo is chicken fish. He says chicken fish. Outside, look. Tyler, what is that? Yeah. Go, Ty, go, go! Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh. Messi. Oh, he's going egg hunt. Go, Ty, go, baby, go. Go, Ty, go find eggs. Carry him over the corner on the left. Over the left. Tell her, look. Pick them up. Look, put them up. Take them up. Put them in a basket. Go, go, go. Go, baby, go. Tell her, go over there. Tell her, look. Look behind you. Tyler is at egg hunting. Look behind you. Look, Tyler, pick them up. Tyler, pick them up. Tyler, put them in the basket. Tyler, vite. Tyler, look, go over there. Tyler, over there. Go over there. Look, full it. Good job, baby. More time, more time, more. Full it. One kid bite one. One kid bite one.
Yeah, but it's not important how much they have in.
I know, but I'm just saying one kid bite one.
I like the concept. It's just maybe they should hide it more.
Yes.
Hide
Yeah,
it.
but that's okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
okay.
For kids like
Cool.
Tyler, that's cool.
Pick them up, Ty. Take them up. Look at him searching. Take them up, baby. Go. You guys, we're taking a chocolate eating break. I have a Tyler hunt eggs and got a bag of chocolate. We are
So we all thanks Tyler.
yeah. Thank you, Tyler, for the chocolate. You did a good job. You guys, so that's a wrap on our Easter break. Right? We had so much fun. Tyler, you had fun? You had fun, you hunt eggs. Ah, yeah. Like giving Faith some of your chocolate. Oh, nummy. They say thank you. Anyway, you guys, we're just gonna sign out here on today's vlog. We're not gonna give you guys any expression today. We're super tired and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if it's your first time watching us, and let us know if you are a new subby. Subscribe if you are new. Hit the notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Tyler, say bye guys. Say bye faves. I'm eating chocolate. My mouth is full. Mouth is full.